guys, you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you how you can literally look younger. If you're 50, you're looking like a teen. Like honestly, I'm not joking. You know, these things that I'm going to be showing you, it's actually going to help you from the inside, and you are going to be looking younger from the outside. Like literally your skin from the outside is going to be looking really young. Okay, so the very first ingredient we are going to be making use of is this, and this is pear. Okay, for those Nigerian people, this is not avocado, this is pear. Okay, so what I'll do first, I'm going to sanitize, like really, because I know there was a time I did a particular video and so people were just bashing and like, oh, you didn't wash your fruit, or you didn't wash your vegetable. I'm like, okay, I think I need to show you that I do wash, because most of the time I do wash these things off the camera. Yeah, so I think I'm going to be showing you that I do wash them in the camera. So what I'll do now, I'll have to cut. Right, so after that is done, I'll just gently pack my pear into my blender. So the very next ingredients that would help you to increase your body metabolism and would help you to flush out colon, and since it contains a whole lot, like 80% of water, you know, watermelon is going to be ideal for you when you want to actually look younger. So since I have a half cut of watermelon, and I'm sure no needing too much of it anyways, because I'm just making 1 cup of this drink, so I'm going to be cutting it into pieces. Okay, and then after that is done, then I would slice it. Okay guys, so after that is done, we're also going to be making use of pear guys. Now you know that this actually helps so much when it comes to the skin and also the body. Now this actually helps in removing fine lines, age spots. Now when you drink it from the inside, you're going to be seeing the improvement. So I have a half cut of my apple, and then I'll just go ahead and wash, and then I would prep this. Okay, after that is done, then I put it into my blender, and since I have limited space, I'm going to be blending this first. Okay, so this is it. So I'm going to be getting a strainer to strain this out first. Okay, so this is my juice, and since that is not all, I'm gonna be keeping that aside, and we're going to be making use of watermelon. So I'm gonna be taking some piece of watermelon. Okay, so I'll be putting the watermelon in here. And then I'm equally blending it, of course. Okay guys, so here is my watermelon and here is the other fruit. And this is how it looks. Okay guys, so this is my anti-aging drink. I've literally just drank it from here to here, and I noticed that the camera was not actually recording. Oh my goodness, oh my god. So this is how it is. So this is literally going to make you look super duper younger, and it is an healthy drink. So it's a drink that you can actually take every day. Okay, you drink it every day, and then you can actually make it in a large quantity, store it in your fridge, and then you can sip it. Just take it as water, you know, just sieve everything out and take it as water. And yeah, it's going to actually reverse your age, make you look younger. And yeah, let's do this. So I actually drank a whole lot, and I wanted to, you know, give it to my girl to drink, but since I saw that the camera wasn't recording, I just had to do that for you guys to see that it is very healthy and definitely make you look younger, and it will also make your skin glow. So it's a drink that you can drink from the inside and then it reflects from the outside, literally. Okay, so go give this drink a try. Every day is fine, it's perfect. Okay, it's going to work wonders on your skin. So you drink it in the inside, it reflects from the outside, literally. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.